My Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro turbocharge function suddenly stopped working. The phone still charged normally, but more slowly, and I missed the quick turbocharge convenience. To solve this problem, I suggest the first troubleshooting step you take is to replace the phone charger adapter and cable. I recommend replacing both, and they usually come as a set anyway. Here is the phone using the new adapter and cable. The turbocharge functionality has returned, and I can once again rapidly charge my phone. It's really that simple, and I believe this will apply to other Xiaomi makes and models as well. Of course, your individual situation may vary, but I believe this is the best and easiest place to start. So before doing anything complicated or risky, try this simple fix. Take care and be well.